Here we came all the way from Khordha to this beautiful site of Motari. This hill, or you can say Mundia, is also famous for having various Buddhist stupas, despite of Baba Biswanath temple, for which it is really famous for. Look at the greenery and beauty of nature. If you need peace in your life, do not keep yourself from here. It was raining today. Maybe it will rain later too. Again, this wet weather is adding way more contrast to the view. This place is half kilometer away from Delang, a block in Puri district, and Delang is 43 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha. Here we come to the entrance of Baba Biswanath temple.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down
Om Namah Shivaya.
when nothing really matters.
This is the hilltop, and there is also a temple here which is having the gods and goddesses, the side gods and goddesses.
If I could lay down beside you,
Let's look the view from the top.
even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
Now let's go down.
if I could lay
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe this channel for further videos, and see you.